Very good.
They got a little park in the background, in the back to the left
What's with the
side.
cams?
Huh?
Huh?
What's with the cams?
What do you mean? What's with the cams?
We film. We film.
Okay.
We do lots of filming, bro. That's it.
No.
Is that okay with you?
Pardon me?
Is that okay with you that we're filming?
I have no issues with that.
Oh,
That's good.
we appreciate that.
Why did you choose these areas?
Sorry?
Why did you choose these areas?
I grew up in this building. 4th floor, 5th floor, 7th floor.
Really?
Really? What? My name's Turk, bro. If you're around here, you know me. Come on, bro.
Oh, buddy.
All right, all right?
How you been?
I'm good.
No, because I thought I was talking to a regular white boy, bro.
I'm far from regular, my brother. You all right, though?
I'm Gucci, blood.
All right.
Everything blessed?
Yeah, fam. We're just out here. We're just,
Yeah?
just doing our thing, you know?
Yo, Pablo, you know what? I seen your program for outreach.
Yeah, the Youth Foundation.
Yeah, go you.
I appreciate
I
you,
like
brother.
you, blood.
I appreciate you.
No, I'm some real shit, blood.
I didn't see you with the mask on. See you pull it
I'm
down.
from jungle, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm top 5.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Heartless.
Yeah, yeah.
Those people.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
Subaru, right?
Free everybody. Free everybody. Be
I
safe
love
out
you.
here, my brother.
No, you're better than us.
Be safe out here.
No, really, if I know that's who I'm talking to,
Yeah.
you're better than us.
Better than what? We're filming the community, man.
No, you're better than us.
What do you want me to do? What do
Because you took that shit to a different,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
you get me?
yeah, yeah. My brother, I appreciate your words, man.
I love you, brother.
I love you. You stay safe out here, all right?
Always, brother.
All right, man. Good seeing you.